here at Jacmel, so we plan, we organize, and we do everything in the summer camp. So it's a good activity for the children, for us, and for everyone who wants to contribute in the development of especially children in Haiti.
I'm very happy to be here with you this year with HTF and to work with children to understand the stories in the Bible and also to apply the lessons in their life and to help others in order to make the world better.
I'm very happy to be part of HTF this year. I have the chance to share my knowledge with children and to make a lot of activities with them. I learned a lot from them also.
As usual, it's amazing. They are intelligent, they are sweet, and you see that they want to learn, they want to enjoy.
They are making friends, I can say, and they are learning, and it's a very good thing.
Very often, after school, they don't have things to enjoy themselves. They just maybe play football and that's all. So during the 4 days, they learn many things. They enjoy themselves. They grow up, I can say.
I think that they inspire me to make more efforts at school in order to help them when I will be older than that.
HTF don't give only their support to pay to send the students to the university, so they give other opportunities to the students and to make sure that students can collaborate and to learn more in the way that HTF organize their vision, their mission for the children and for Haiti. So we can say that learning by doing.
My hope for the future is to see that all the children that I teach here, they will be new leaders for Haiti, and they learned from me, and they help other children, and so Haiti will be developed. Haiti will be a great country where all people will be loved, and we will help each other.
So everything begin here, and tomorrow with those children, we can have a new Haiti with love and all attention that they need.
I can say thank you to HTF for giving me this opportunity to work with children, to do something good for other people, and I hope they will continue to do it, and I will do it too with them.